If your toilet's flush valve is cracked or broken, it's messing with your whole bathroom flow and wasting water like crazy. So here's the deal. First, shut off the water supply to your toilet. You don't want to flood while you're fixing stuff. Next, flush the toilet to empty the tank and soak up any leftover water with a sponge or towel. Then, remove the tank lid and disconnect the water supply line from the bottom of the tank. After that, take out the old flush valve by loosening the lock nut underneath the tank. It might be a bit tight, so grab some pliers or a wrench. Make sure to clean off any old seal or debris around the opening before putting in the new flush valve. When installing the new one, line it up properly and tighten that lock nut just enough so it's snug but not over-tightened to avoid cracking the porcelain. Finally, reconnect the water line, turn the water back on, and test your flush to make sure everything's running smoothly without leaks. One of the biggest issues with a cracked or broken flush valve is ignoring the problem and letting it waste water, which drives up your water bill. Fixing it quickly saves you cash and hassle. Another common mistake is over-tightening the lock nut when installing the new flush valve, which can crack your toilet tank. Always tighten gently but firmly to avoid damage. Lastly, people often forget to clean the tank opening before installing the new valve, causing leaks or poor sealing. Make sure that area is clean and dry for a solid fit. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can fix problems like a cracked flush valve fast. It also helps contractors find great projects nearby so they can keep busy and grow their business.